Hey there, fellow stuffy nose sufferers. Are you tired of dealing with that annoying clogged nose? Well, you're in luck because today, I've got some fantastic natural home remedies that will have you breathing easy in no time. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're suffering from nasal congestion, you'll want to grab some paper and pen to jot these homemade remedies down. In today's video, I'm showing you my top 6 ways to get fast relief from a clogged nose without medications. From ginger to garlic to hydrogen peroxide, these remedies work with ingredients you likely already have at home. First up, steam. Inhaling warm moist air thins out mucous membranes and allows drainage. I like to boil water, drape a towel over my head, and breathe for 10 minutes. You'll be amazed how this quickly alleviates congestion. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Next, stay hydrated and sip hot liquids like tea, which can help thin out mucus. Herbal teas with peppermint or eucalyptus are especially great for stuffed noses. My third go-to is ginger. Ginger's active compounds are potent decongestants. Drink ginger tea, use ginger essential oils, or even just sniff slices of raw ginger to clear sinuses. Garlic is another common kitchen ingredient that has natural histamine-lowering effects. Eat raw garlic, take garlic supplements, or mix garlic oil with a carrier oil and rub under your nose and on chest. Fair warning, garlic can leave you smelling, well, like garlic, so this is best done at home. Fifth, relieve pressure with a simple saline or salt water rinse. Mix warm water with salt until it reaches an isotonic concentration and flush out your nasal cavity. This can provide immediate congestion relief. Lastly, and this is my newest discovery, a dash of hydrogen peroxide. Mix a 50-50 solution with water, use an eyedropper to administer a few drops in each nostril, tilt your head side to side, and let it bubble out. The release of oxygen thins mucus right out on contact. Be very careful with measurements though, as high concentrations can irritate. There you have it, my top 6 home remedies to clear clogged noses fast using common household items. Give some a try during your next cold and let me know in the comments down below what worked best for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more DIY tips using everyday ingredients.